Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a brand new episode of Cut TV, brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. In this episode we're going to look at a gorgeous kit from Julie Hutchings, and it's cup 112-8454_1483, and it's called Naughty or Nice List. You get 3 sheets and they will fit an 8x8 inch square card. You get the card front, lots of decoupage, sentiments and insert panel. So I'd like to show you what you actually get in the kit, and then we can go ahead and make the card. So the first sheet is the card front. We've got some extra coordinating gift tags and the bow to decoupage onto the card front as well. Maybe you'd prefer a different sentiment. You could use these in place of There Is No Place Like Home. I like the There Is No Place Like Home. But if you wanted to use Ho 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 or Jingle Bells, you could do. Our next sheet is the decoupage to build up the card front. So this is your large piece of decoupage, and then each piece after will build up to create the smaller layers. Our last sheet is the actual insert panel and some smaller gift tags. Now the gift tags, or the squares that you don't use, you could use to coordinate as gift tags with your presents. Simply add a hole in the side and add a little bit of ribbon or string, whatever you prefer. Or you could make mini cards from them as well, if you wanted to give a mini card rather than a gift tag. So let's go ahead and make our card. I've got an ivory 8x8 inch square blank card. I'm going to go to the centre of the card first because we're going to add the insert first. I've cut out the insert and I've added double-sided tape on the back. So I can simply peel away the back of the tape, and then we can pop the insert into the centre of our card. So I can just put that in the position that I want. It leaves a little edge around the outside. So once it's in position, I can let go and then press down. So that's a beautiful insert, and it's going to match perfectly to our card front. So now we can turn our attention to the card front. I've cut out the image. I've got double-sided tape on the back. I can peel away the back of the tape. Now I talk about double-sided tape, but you might prefer tape runners, you might prefer wet glue. It's entirely up to you, it's your choice. So the card front, I am just going to layer onto the blank card, and when I'm happy it's in position, just let go and press down. So it leaves a little edge around the outside, a little border. Then I can start building up my decoupage. So my first layer is Father Christmas and There's No Place Like Home. So I've cut the layer out, I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm just simply going to marry up the design that's on the actual card itself and place my decoupage layer over the top of it, like so, and press down. My next layer is going to be There Is No Place Like Home. 3D foam on the back, and just add that over the previous layer, like that. There we go. I've now got the little red bow. Again, I've cut it out. I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm going to add that just over the bow on the card. Next, I've got the 3 baubles, and I've got 3D foam on the back. I can position those over the baubles on the card, press down, and then the second layer of baubles, again 3D foam on the back, and just position that over the previous bauble. And then the flowers at the bottom, we have a choice. We can either use the flowers with a sentiment or no sentiment. Well, my first layer is going to be no sentiment that I've cut out and I've got 3D foam on. So I'm going to add that over the top there. Then my second layer, I've chosen the one that says Merry Christmas. I've cut it out just the same, 3D foam on the back, and I can just pop that over the previous layer and press down. I've then got the extra Christmas foliage, 3D foam on the back, and I can add that to make it even more decoupaged. And that is our beautiful card finished. And you can see those gorgeous decoupage layers around the card. The perfect matching insert. We've got our coordinating gift tags that we can use. It's just a gorgeous card. Very festive. It's got me in the festive mood now. So I'd like to remind you of the cup number. It's cup 1128454_1483, and you can find any of Julie Hutchings' work by looking on the Craftsuprint website and searching for Julie Hutchings. I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.